are showing fewer buyer showings week over week and are well below last year the same time. It's Friday, September 29th, 2023, and this is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring you market updates every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. We are still seeing homes going under contract quickly, multiple offers, and many selling for over list price. 975 properties reduced their sales price over the past week, while 236 raised their sales price. Inventory is slowly coming to the market, unusual for this time of year, as many avoid a fall market, though those that do come on the market are taking advantage of the known circumstances. Buyers want to buy and prices are still high. 873 homes are coming soon. 1,757 homes hit the market over the past week. 590 went under contract. 802 moved to pending. 1,129 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and in just 8 days. The highest price home to sell over this past week was in Chevy Chase for $6,879,000. Rentals available dipped to $2,304 at $2,400 per month, at leasing in just 18 steady days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 29th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.